Welcome to Brain Nest Media, where smart students get smarter.
Studying for exams and getting buried in homework. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some genius Google search tricks that'll make you a study whiz. First up, if you need top-notch study notes, just type your topic followed by cite. This filters your search to only show results from university websites, giving you access to amazing college-level resources for free. Next, ever get stuck on a tricky word? Just type define and then the word you're looking for. Google will give you the definition instantly right at the top of the page. So quick. For those really tough concepts, try searching your topic plus explain like I'm 5. This prompts the search to find super simple, easy to understand explanations. And for serious research papers, head over to Google Scholar. It's a goldmine of academic articles. Bonus tip for my US friends! You can even use it to find proper citation formats like MLA or APA. Struggling to keep up with lectures and stay organized? It's time to turn your Google Docs into an absolute study machine. Stop typing and start talking. Use the voice typing feature to take notes 3 times faster than you normally would. Your fingers will thank you. Next, get your notes organized instantly. Use the outline tool. Just format your titles and headings, and boom, a clickable table of contents appears on the side. No more endless scrolling. You can also use smart chips to embed links, files, or even tag people directly in your notes. It's like a mini database for your brain. And here's the game changer. Use the new AI Summarize feature to get a quick overview of your entire document. It's perfect for last-minute reviews. Plus, don't forget to check out the preset study templates like the daily study plan and assignment tracker. They're a lifesaver. Try these tips out and watch your grades soar. Tired of forgetting what you've learned? I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a memory-boosting machine using Google Keep. It's super easy. First, transform your notes into colorful flashcards. Just jot down a question or a term, and then in the note itself, write the answer. Assign a different color to each topic to visually separate them. It's a game changer for quick recall. Next, use labels to organize your subjects. Think of labels as digital folders. You can create one for history, science, or project ideas. This way, everything is neatly sorted and easy to find when you need it. Don't forget to set reminders for your study sessions. Google Keep can ping you to review specific notes at the perfect time for spaced repetition. And here's a pro tip. Use the Google Keep Chrome extension. You can save text, images, and links directly from the web, and it all syncs automatically to your phone. Perfect for capturing information on the fly. Give it a try and watch your memory improve. Struggling to keep up with your study schedule? Let me show you how to use Google Calendar to crush your academic goals. First, create time-blocking templates for your subjects. This visually maps out your day so you know exactly what to focus on and when. Got a class that repeats? Just set up a recurring event for your study sessions. No more manually adding it every single week. My favorite feature is focus mode. It blocks all those distracting notifications so you can get into a deep work session without interruption. You can also add specific tasks like finish chapter 3, and they'll automatically sync with your phone. Time blocking is a huge trend for back-to-school season for a reason. It works! Give it a try and transform your study habits from chaos to complete control. Are you spending hours watching lectures online? I'm about to show you how to cut your study time in half using YouTube and Google. First, stop watching at normal speed. Go to the settings gear and bump the playback speed up to 1.25x or even 1.5x. You'll get through the content so much faster without missing a thing. Next, need to take notes. Don't type everything out. Click the 3 dots below the video and select Show Transcript. You can copy the entire text and paste it directly into a Google Doc. Boom. Instant notes. The best part. Once it's in a Google Doc, you can use Ctrl+F to search for any keyword. This lets you find the exact moment a topic was mentioned in the video instantly. And have you heard about YouTube courses? It's a new feature rolling out that offers structured learning experiences right on the platform. It's like having a personal tutor built into YouTube. Try these tips out and watch your productivity soar. Tired of feeling overwhelmed by your classes? I've got the ultimate solution that's going to change your student life. This is my all-in-one Google Sheets study dashboard, and it's a total game. First up, a progress tracker that shows you exactly how much you've studied for each subject. No more guessing! Next, an assignment deadline tracker that automatically highlights what's due soon, so you'll never miss a deadline again. Struggling with focus? The built-in Pomodoro log helps you manage your study sessions and track your productivity. Plus, you can set your weekly study goals and watch your progress soar with these awesome, motivating graphs. Dashboards are a huge hit with students in the USA, and this one is designed to make you a top performer. Want to double your study speed? I'll show you how in just a few seconds. First, when you're researching, use Google Search and directly save links, images, or snippets into Google Keep. Think of Keep as your digital sticky notepad. Next, open Google Docs for your main note. You can drag your notes straight from Keep into your doc. It's super seamless. Once you've got your study notes organized, it's time to plan. Open Google Calendar and create a study schedule, then add a link to your Google Doc right in the calendar event. For tracking your progress, like grades or study hours, use Google Sheets to make a simple table. And finally, if you get stuck on a topic, just head over to YouTube for a quick video explanation. By linking these free tools together, you create a powerful study system that seriously boosts your efficiency. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, a complete study system powered entirely by Google. And the best part, every single tool we talked about today is 100% free. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, just pure productivity to help you ace your classes. If you found this helpful and you're looking for more study hacks, productivity tips, and tool recommendations, especially those that work great for students here in the USA, then you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I drop brand new videos just like this one every single week. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Brain Nest Media for more school hacks and study tips.